Hello friends, in this video we are going to study about the topic provisioning in cloud computing. In this we will going to discuss about introduction to provisioning models, provisioning life cycle and cloud provider services for provisioning and provisioning challenges. Firstly we will start with the topic introduction to provisioning. What is cloud provisioning? Allocating and configuring computation, storage, network and service on demand for a cloud consumer. The goal of provisioning is fast delivery, cost efficiency, scalability. And the types of provisioning are resource provisioning, service provisioning, identity provisioning and many more. And the example of resource provisioning is VMs, that is virtual machines, container, storage. And in service provisioning we have platform as a service, software as a service instances, and in identity provisioning we have access, roles and policies for maintaining the provisioning. Further we will study provisioning models. The first provisioning model is manual provisioning, in which we have admin logs into portals, click to create VM machines, storage and etc. In automated provisioning we have CLI, SDK scripts, IAC tools, Terraforms, CloudFormations and ARM, and it provides repeatable environments. Self-service provisioning, in which we have service catalog, that is AWS service catalog, Azure blueprints, in which user picks pre-approved templates which provide enterprise agility. And in dynamic or policy-based provisioning, in which we have auto scaling of resources, workload driven policies, and it provides real-time elasticity. The next step is provisioning lifecycle, in which we have request, approval, resource allocation, configuration, activation and monitoring, reporting. We start with the request from user. Firstly, user will submit the request to portal or to API through API. Approval optional है, approval which will be done by government, which will be based on government's policy. And resource allocation we have virtual machine, container, storage volume, network. And the fourth step is configuration, in which all the resources we have allocated from the portal, in which we will configure all the resources together: OS, image, software stack, IAM roles, metadata. And fifth step is activation or bootstrapping, in which we will start a stance, run cloud init or user data script. Sixth last step is monitoring and reporting, in which we have usage metrics, cost and compliance. The fifth topic is cloud provider services for provisioning. We have many more clouds, in which we will discuss AWS, Azure, GCP and some common clouds. Firstly, in AWS we have EC2, VMs for virtual machines and CloudFormation, AWS service catalog, template driven stack and change set. In Azure, we have virtual machines, Azure Resource Manager, ARM, Azure Blueprints, VM skill sets, policy-based deployment, and RBAC, role-based access control. GCP, Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Deployment Manager, Terraform Integration, Declarative, and by AML JSON platform. Some common cloud provide services are Terraforms, Ansible, Pulumi, Kubernetes Operator, Multi-Cloud, IAC, and more provisioning clouds. So this is all about provisioning in cloud computing. Thank you for watching this video.